All right, well, I'm out walking around with my camera today, and you know, we've had some rain over the last few days. It hasn't rained in about 24 hours, but I noticed at the base of some of these trees, they have these little holes. I don't know, lack of a better word, just a hole in the trunk. But I noticed there's water in there, so I was like, let me look in there and see. I wonder if this is like a water source for something, for some animal or something. But anyway, I looked inside, and wow, it was kind of interesting to what I saw in there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'll turn this thing around and I'll show you. See something like this at the, you know, near the base of the tree. And if you look in there, you kind of see different things going on in there. So yeah, kind of interesting, huh? Look at that. I tried to get a photograph. I'll see how it turns out, but I couldn't really get all the depth of field to get all these guys. It does a better job on the video. Anyway, that's kind of neat. It's like a bunch of, what, the slugs, I guess. There you go. That's one of the things that lives in these holes in the trees after it rains.